Saddlebags, really nice to have for obvious reasons, right? But on a Heritage Classic, I think these cover up a lot of the classic beauty of the bike itself. Without bags, the Heritage looks like a different machine, and a really good one at that. That's where the Quick Detach Saddlebag Conversion Kit comes to the rescue. The kit really gives you the best of both worlds. It allows you to quickly detach or attach the bags depending on your needs at the time. And if you're looking for a more practical reason for being able to take your bags off quickly and put them back on quickly, maintenance and cleaning are a lot easier with this. With the kit installed, there's a quick release handle on the inside of the bag, and all you do is pull it out, turn it a little bit. That releases the bag, and now you can pull the bag back and simply lift it off. And to attach the bag is almost as easy. Slide it on, release the latch, and it's good to go. This kit's available for 2003 to 2017 Heritage Softail, and you will need two different parts to pull this off. First, you need the conversion kit itself, and you're going to need one of two different hardware kits. One of the hardware kits is required for bikes with the quick detachable luggage rack or sissybar, and the other hardware kit is required for bikes without a quick detachable luggage rack or sissybar. The only real difference between the two hardware kits is the quick detach luggage rack and sissybar just requires a spacer on the end. I'll be sure to put these part numbers in the description of the video. And I will say, definitely shop around. You can find these things in pretty varying prices depending where you get them. If you want to tackle this yourself, it is a little bit time consuming and a bit fiddly. I even managed to break a passenger foot peg bolt, so be careful removing those. The instructions in the kits are not great, so I'm going to link here a description of this video where a fellow YouTuber steps through the installation with a lot of really good detail on tips. So that's it for this one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.